Alright, here's the EM2. It also hasn't run since the last time it was on the channel. Alright. I'm just going to try. Alright. I guess. Maybe I should have brought the drill starter out for this since it's been so long. And you heard the ETX stopped, so it's apparently in a mood this morning. Alright. Check the plug, see if I got it wet. Plug's not wet. Got it out, check for spark. There's a very, very, very little spark there, so I can barely see it. So I'm going to get some fresh batteries for this. Oh wait. Helps if you turn the ignition back on when you're checking for spark. I don't remember if I did that. Let's try that again. Ignition on. Yeah, no spark. I must have a dead battery or something. We will see about checking that. Actually, I gotta check the spark when I get new batteries in there. Alright, so new batteries for the EM1. The ET1 keeps running like a champ. And I'll be back with batteries.